Meaning of garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal.
Garbage disposal. Garbage disposal refers to a machine or device used to grind up and dispose of food waste in a kitchen sink. It typically consists of a motorized unit installed beneath the sink, which grinds food waste into small particles that can be easily washed away with water. The ground-up food waste is then either sent to a septic system or sewage treatment plant. Garbage disposals can help reduce kitchen waste and prevent drain blockages caused by food debris. They are commonly found in homes and commercial kitchens where large amounts of food waste are generated.